So I just picked this up for $120. I don't have the bag, and the telescoping whip is gone. To get the 60 meters, the 80 meters, the 2 meter, what do they call it, superplexer, a tripod mount, a HF coil, a ground spike, the mount, multi-tilting mount, and then various ground radials that they probably charge like $30 or more for. So this was a $500 kit, and it would have looked like that one there. Let's see. So I already have a single coil version of this, which is that one there. So pretty cool. I can actually put them on a dipole bracket now and see how it works for portable. So I guess that might be my birthday present to myself. Anyway, thanks for watching.